Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum and good day to all. I hope that you are in good condition. For today's class, we are going to continue with our Superminds textbook and we want to look at page 97. So we are going to look at page 97 and I want you to look at the activity 1. The activity 1. This is activity 1 in page 97 in our Superminds textbook. So let's have a look at the instruction. You have to look and say. You have to look and say. Then listen and tick or cross. Okay, as you can see, the symbol of tick here and the cross here. So after this, you are going to listen to the audio and then you are going to see which box that you are going to put the tick, which box you are going to put the cross. We are going to use the Canva application to do this. Before we go to that part, let's talk about this activity first. So let's have a look at the activity 1. You have Sophie and you have Tom. And you also have 6 pictures over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's read the phrases here together. Play the piano. Play the piano. Good. Next word. Swim. Swim. Let's go to the next one. Ride a horse. Ride a horse. Good. Next one. Ride a bike. Ride a bike. And then we have play tennis. Play tennis. And last one is dance. Dance. So look at the picture. As you can see the first picture here, which one should be the correct phrases? Sorry, which one should be the correct phrase for picture number 1? Good. Play tennis. Let's have a look at page number 2. Good. Play the piano. And I'm sure this picture number 3, everybody knows what is this. Definitely ride a horse. What about picture number 4? Good, everyone. Ride a bike. Picture number 5. Yes, you can see the goggles here. It means that the activity is swim. And of course, the last one, the 6th picture, is dance. So everyone, now you are going to listen to the audio file. Get ready. Before you listen to the audio, you might want to find a notebook or a piece of paper and then you can make a draft for the box that we have seen just now in activity 1, where you can write down. No need to put the picture or no need to draw the picture. Just put in the activity as stated for picture 1, picture 2 until picture 6, and then 2 rows for Sophie and Tom, because this audio is going to be between an interviewer with Sophie and also with Tom. The person will be asking whether Sophie, for example, she can play tennis or not. If she can play tennis, it means that you have to tick in the box, the first box. If she can't play tennis, it means that you are going to put a cross there. So make sure before you listen to the audio here, make a draft in your notebook or in a piece of paper so that you can listen and at the same time you can put the tick and the cross. Please do not draw or write anything in your textbook because the textbook is not yours. Okay? So let's listen to the audio now.
Student's Book, page 97. 1. Look and say. Then listen and tick or cross.
Hello, Sophie. Can I ask you some questions?
Yes, you can.
Can you play tennis?
No, I can't.
Can you play the piano?
Yes, I can.
Can you ride a horse?
Yes, I can.
And can you ride a bike?
Yes, I can.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can.
Can you dance?
No, I can't.
Thank you, Sophie. Hello, Tom. Can I ask you some questions?
Yes, you can.
Can you play tennis, Tom?
No, I can't.
Can you play the piano?
No, I can't.
Can you ride a horse?
No, I can't. But I can ride a bike.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can. And I can dance.
Thank you, Tom.
At this point, if you are not able to get all the tick and crosses correct, you just have to rewind the audio and check your answers. And then I believe that you have seen the picture in our classwork in the Google Classroom under the classwork for this task. So you are going to download the picture that you have seen just now and you are going to use it after this with the Canva application. This is the guide on how you are going to do it in Canva application. Everyone, before you open the Canva application, make sure that at this point you have already downloaded the picture that I give you in the Google Classroom specifically for this task. Make sure that you have downloaded the picture because we are going to use it here. So when you are already opening the Canva application, the first thing that I want you to do is you scroll in between the design here, scroll to the left and try to find this presentation. Find this and click on it. You will be prompted with the templates, so don't go for any other template, just choose the blank one. Just choose the blank one. Then you will be prompted with this, whether you want to put in templates, elements or uploads. If you can't see this, simply just click on the add button on the bottom left, the purple add button, And then here, what are you going to do is you are going to click on uploads. But remember, as I have told you in the beginning just now, you have to make sure that you already downloaded the picture in Google Classroom. So you click on uploads and you should be able to find the image or the picture from the Google Classroom itself. So you click on the picture and you will find it there in your presentation. So number one, once you have the picture there on the presentation, you resize the picture to fit in the presentation first. Make sure it fits in, and then you are going to add the text, because number one, you have to make sure that you type in your name here and your class here. So once you are done, now it's the time for us to have another look at the instruction. As the instruction says, you have to look and say. Then you have to listen and tick or cross. So we are going to do it here. In these boxes, we are going to put tick and crosses, ticks and crosses. So how to get the tick and crosses? You are going to click on add. Then you choose the elements. You choose the elements. Once you have chosen this, you go to the part of which you can type here and type TICK for tick. And you will find some choices of ticks down here. You can choose any of the ticks that you want. Once you have chosen, you click on the tick, and then you are going to bring it as you are going to resize it to fit in the box. For example, here I want to put it here. Okay, same goes with the cross. So you click again on the add button, and then you click on elements, type cross mark, CORSS, cross MARK, mark. So you type in cross mark and you will find some choices of the cross mark here, and then when you click on the cross, you are going to have it, and then you are going to resize it to fit in the box. So everyone, once you are done putting in the ticks and the crosses in all the boxes here, again, this is done according to the audio file you have listened earlier. So if you are not sure, make sure you check on the audio again. Alright, assuming that you have done all the ticks and crosses, we are going to move on to the part of which we are going to save the presentation. So you click on the button here on the top right here, and then you click on save as. You will be prompted with this. Just save the file as the PNG file type. Just use the suggested one, and then you click on download. Once you have clicked on it, it will process it and you will have the file in your phone. So later, once you are done with this, you have downloaded the file here in Canva application, you go back to your classwork, your Google Classroom. Under the classwork, you try to open the task here and you add the work. Once you add the work, add this file that you have downloaded before you hand in your work to me. I believe that this task should be easy for you because we have been practicing using the Canva application and also the Google Classroom over and over again. Just a reminder, once you are done with the Canva application, once you have downloaded the presentation you have done there, make sure to add the work in our Google Classroom and turn into me or hand into me. Then only your homework is considered as done. everyone, like I have told you again and again, if you have any problems, please ask me. I am always here to help you. Okay, everyone? So with that, I would say that's all for today. Thank you, everyone, and goodbye.